Hey Sanskriti, the vertical garden that you have built for our neighbors is amazing. Congratulations on your new business.
Thank you so much, Raya.
I have a question. How did you manage to fund your business?
I actually invested in balanced advantage funds a few years ago.
Balanced advantage funds. Can you tell me more?
Yes, they are mutual funds that adjust their investments between equity and debt based on market conditions. This approach adjusts risk exposure based on market conditions and may align with medium to long-term investment objectives.
That's really smart. Maybe I should start investing too. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.